Hey guys, let's get on to some amazing Gmail tips and tricks that you might not be aware of. Number one, click on the settings gear and then view all themes. Scroll down a little bit and select dark as your theme, and this looks so much better. Number two, press the shift key together with the question mark key. This opens up all the available shortcut keys, and yes, don't forget to press the C key to compose a new message. Number 3, click on the search options icon and here you can search for all the messages greater than 10 megabytes. You can delete these if you need to free up space in your Gmail. Number 4, click on the settings gear, then see all the settings. You can set undo send up to 30 seconds. This way, if you send a message, you can undo send it. Number 5, within settings, click on offline, check this box and you can make Gmail available even when you don't have internet access. So great guys, correct? So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such amazing tips and tricks.